Every mission starts with one rule. The right gear decides who makes it back. This week at Walmart, tactical upgrades are dropping faster than ever, with savings slicing as deep as 50% off on elite survival tools. From stealth tech to field-tested essentials, military-grade gadgets redefine how you survive, fight, and endure. Stay locked in. When everything goes wrong and your only ally is the gear you packed, the MISSMILE Survival Kit becomes your first and final line of defense. Now slashed down to $18 from $20, this compact powerhouse packs a multi-tool, wire saw, fire starter, tactical pen, and emergency knife, all inside a shock-proof case that fits right in your rucksack. Every tool's precision built for soldiers, preppers, and off-grid adventurers. Whether it's cutting through rope, sparking a fire, or signaling for rescue, this kit ensures your odds of survival don't depend on luck, but on readiness. When technology fails and batteries die, navigation comes down to one timeless instrument, the compass. The 5 Moon Sun, 5 Air Force engraved brass compass is precision heritage in your hand. Once marked at $34, now dropped to $29, this solid brass relic is engraved with the U.S. Air Force insignia, blending artistry with battlefield reliability. Whether you're hiking through unknown trails or navigating blackout zones, this compass gives you magnetic clarity when GPS turns to static, rugged, dependable, and weatherproof. It's not just a tool, it's a legacy of orientation and discipline. In hostile darkness, vision equals survival. The YANGHONGY LED Flashlight cuts through the void with 100,000 lumens of blinding precision. Now only $15, down from $21, this rechargeable tactical torch is built from military-grade aluminum and engineered to survive drops, rain, and impact. Switch between 5 lighting modes to adapt instantly, from stealth strobe to wide-area floodlight. Whether you're signaling a search team or clearing a dark corridor, this light turns the night into your advantage. When others go blind in the shadows, you stay in control. In the field, adaptability is the ultimate weapon. The Blaxill multi-tool turns one grip into a survival arsenal, combining pliers, knives, screwdrivers, wire cutters, and more in a single foldable frame. Now down to $12 from $15, this stainless steel powerhouse fits in your pocket but performs like a full workshop. The matte black coating resists rust and glare, perfect for low-profile missions. When seconds define the mission, precision isn't luxury, it's survival. The Findtime men's military watch syncs toughness with tactical accuracy. Marked down to $20 from $27, this digital analog hybrid delivers stopwatch functions, LED, backlight, and 50-meter water resistance in a combat-ready build. Engineered for soldiers and explorers alike, its shock-proof frame and rugged silicone band keep ticking through impact, mud, and rain. Whether you're timing a breaching sequence or your morning trail run, in close quarters emergencies, the pen isn't just mightier than the sword, it is the sword. The military tactical pen at $6, slashed from $8, doubles as a self-defense tool, glass breaker, and precision writing instrument. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it can shatter a car window or deter an attacker while still signing your field log. When the ground turns against you, dig in, literally. The Dispatch 18.7-inch folding survival shovel is a compact, all-metal tool designed for soldiers, hunters, and off-grid survivalists. Now dropped to $16 from $18, this foldable spade converts from a digging tool to a defensive pickaxe in seconds. Built from hardened carbon steel, it's perfect for clearing debris, building shelters, or carving out defensive trenches. Whether you're camping deep in the woods or fortifying a bug-out camp, this shovel ensures you never face the elements unprepared. When chaos strikes, the only thing between panic and preparation is your kit. When you're out in the wild, your blade isn't just a tool, it's your survival code. The Jellas 10-piece hunting knife set is precision gear for field dressing, skinning, and survival operations. Originally $47, now trimmed to $42, this full kit includes specialized knives, gut hooks, bone saws, and sharpeners, all housed in a rugged carry case. Each blade is forged from high-carbon stainless steel, ensuring edge retention through mud, bone, and time. When GPS apps go dark and signals vanish, the Garmin Foretrex 701 Ballistic Edition becomes your lifeline. This isn't a smartwatch, it's a military-grade wrist computer. Right now, it's been cut in half from $500 down to $250. Engineered for tactical operations, it features multi-GNSS, navigation, applied ballistics elite software, and night vision goggle compatibility. The rugged MISSMILE TD 810 build resists heat, shock, and immersion, ready for field missions, hunting, or covert reconnaissance. Garmin didn't build this for everyday hikers. They built it for operators who move through chaos and come out with coordinates in hand. When the mission shifts to survival cooking, fire becomes command. The Coleman tabletop portable gas stove takes your field kitchen anywhere. Now, $29 down from $34, this single burner beast delivers 7,650 BT. Use of precision heat for brewing, frying, or boiling in seconds. Its compact, lightweight design and butane ignition make it a favorite among campers and emergency preppers. Whether you're cooking rations in a storm or making coffee at dawn, Coleman keeps your operations fueled and morale high. When the grid fails and darkness swallows your camp, light becomes command and control. The BEEPRINCESS solar rechargeable lanterns, now $25 from $40, deliver tactical brightness with solar and USB recharge, collapsing into pocket-sized beacons when the mission ends. Each lantern runs for hours on a single charge, perfect for emergency shelters, power outages, or night watch patrols. The rugged ABS build and integrated handles make them a dependable light source when everything else goes dark. With 4 in a pack, your whole unit stays illuminated because the night doesn't stand a chance. When your unit needs cover fast, the Ozark Trail, 11-person instant cabin tent, builds a base of operations in under 2 minutes. Originally $170, now locked at $150, this beast covers 14 by 14 feet with a private room setup, enough for the squad or family to shelter with comfort and command. Steel poles snap open with instant frame technology, while the weather-resistant rainfly and sealed seams guard against wind and downpour. Inside, gear organizers and electrical ports keep your setup efficient and powered. This isn't a tent, it's a deployable outpost. When the night temperature drops and the wind cuts deep, the KingCamp XL sleeping bag becomes your fortress of warmth. Now just $60, down from $80, this 4-season sleeping system is lined with soft flannel and insulated for extreme cold. Water-resistant, compressible, and built for large-framed campers. It's designed to keep body heat trapped even when frost bites the air. Unzip it to pair with another bag or convert it into a full blanket. You don't just sleep in this, you recover, recharge, and rise ready for the next mission. After miles of marching or setting camp, even warriors need rest. The Guide Gear Oversized XL padded camping chair delivers tactical comfort, now just $75, cut down from $120. With a 400-pound weight capacity, extra thick padding, and a wide steel frame, this chair holds firm where flimsy ones fail. It's not a luxury, it's a survival necessity for long sits on recon, fishing trips, or command posts by the fire. Comfort doesn't compromise readiness, it fuels it. When a storm rolls in and temperatures plunge without warning, the LANNEY emergency sleeping bag becomes your thermal shield. Now at $19, down from $30, this 4-pack survival essential reflects up to 90% of body heat using tear-resistant mylar insulation. Each lightweight bivy sack packs into a compact bundle small enough for your glove box, bug-out bag, or hiking pack. Windproof, waterproof, and reusable, it's designed to keep you alive through cold nights and crisis situations. When nature strikes hard, this bag strikes back. In the wild, controlled fire is civilization. The Resenkos portable wood camping stove, now $24 from $34, turns raw timber into efficient energy. Built with a durable carbon steel frame, this compact stove supports cooking pots, boiling water, or heating shelter space. The vented base maximizes airflow for a clean, smokeless burn, while foldable legs make it easy to pack and deploy. Whether you're cooking rations or surviving blackout conditions, this stove transforms wilderness into warmth and command. The Wakeman Outdoors pop-up privacy tent, now $28, marked down from $31, sets up in seconds to create a personal command space, a shower, restroom, or dressing zone anywhere on Earth. Lightweight, yet wind-resistant, it's built with polyester walls and a flexible steel frame, folding flat for transport and springing open for instant cover. For campers, photographers, and field operatives, this tent is the unseen fortress that keeps you clean, hidden, and mission-ready. When the mission extends beyond the grid, sustained firepower becomes your best ally. The Costway portable wood camping stove, now dropped to $70 from a hefty $120, transforms any wilderness outpost into a command kitchen. With dual cooking positions and a built-in chimney pipe system, it channels smoke efficiently while keeping heat concentrated. The all-steel construction resists warping under high flame, and the foldable legs ensure fast deployment wherever you set camp. It's more than a stove, it's your base's beating heart, built for endurance, strategy, and survival. When your loadout defines your mobility, your pack becomes your lifeline. The YANGHONGY 50-liter hiking backpack, slashed from $26 to $18, offers military-grade durability with massive internal capacity for gear, rations, and mission essentials. Crafted from water-resistant Oxford fabric, it features multiple compartments, adjustable straps, and MOLLE webbing for modular attachments. Lightweight yet reinforced, this backpack thrives under the same pressure you do. From weekend treks to long-range recon, it's your command center on the move, dependable, silent, and ready for anything. Every mission is a test of preparation, and with Walmart's tactical deals this week, from survival kits to GPS, grade tech, from tents to thermal defense, these 20 military-grade gadgets redefine what readiness means. Gear up, stay sharp, and own the mission. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss your next tactical advantage. Until next time, stay mission ready.